So the new iPhone 17 Air was just recently announced by Apple, and amFILM has sent out their new tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 17 Air, and this features their OneTouch system. Now this one is the 2+2 pack, which includes 2 screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors for awesome value. They also have a privacy screen protector option, which I'll also link down below. So let's go ahead and see what we get inside. First thing you're going to have is 2 dust removal stickers, your 2 tempered glass screen protector, which is already on their OneTouch system, making it very easy to install. You're going to get 2 sets of screen protector installation accessories, an installation guide, a microfiber squeegee, and 2 camera lenses. First thing we're going to do is open up the screen protector installation accessory, which is going to include your lifetime warranty, more dust removal stickers, a wet wipe, and a microfiber cloth. Now, I currently have a dummy replica phone, so this is not a live phone. However, to demonstrate exactly how to install it, this will be very useful. So the first thing, of course, before installing any screen protector, we want to make sure the screen is perfectly clear of any type of fingerprints or any type of lens. And that's where all of these accessories come into play. The first accessory that I like to personally use is always the wet wipe. And you're going to start wiping the front of the display. Then you will take the microfiber cloth and you will dry all of that wet residue. Now this should leave your phone perfectly clean and clear. However, sometimes some lint or dust gets trapped right on top. So the next thing that you could use is either the dust removal stickers, which have smaller ones, or you can use this large dust removal sticker here, which is what I'm going to use. So we're going to peel this off. And we're going to place this right over the screen of the 17 Air. So once you have that on top of the iPhone 17 Air, I recommend just leaving it on right before you're ready to install the actual screen protector. Now this is their OneTouch system, which already has the tempered glass screen protector already on, and this OneTouch system has top level here, and before you actually install it, you do have to remove step number 1 first. So once you're ready, go ahead and peel off the dust removal sticker here, which should take care of all the lint on your phone. You can quickly double check any type of spot. This is where you want to be very careful because sometimes there's lint floating around the air, and this is where I would like to spot reduce just in case. And so for example, there's like a little lint right there, so I'm going to use this little removal sticker here, making sure that everything is free of any type of lint. So once you're ready, we're going to go ahead and remove step number 1, peel that right out. And then we're going to position this right on top, making sure you follow where it says top. The next thing is to apply pressure all around. So go ahead and place your finger. Go ahead and give that a swipe down and swipe up. And the screen protector should start to adhere. And then you're able to remove this plastic cover by just applying some pressure here. And this whole thing comes off. So right at the start here, you're going to notice these 2 large air pockets here, but no worries here. We can use the included microfiber squeegee here, so we can easily push that out. And again, it all depends on your specific application. You might not notice any type of bubbles, or you might notice, one little air pocket or maybe microscopic bubbles. And then we're going to attack the final one here. We're just going to push that right to the side. You'll see it instantly disappears. And any type of smaller bubbles here, you can go ahead and again use a little squeegee here to push that out. So I really love that they include this little squeegee here to really spot every type of imperfection here for those that really want to make sure you have a super clean installation. All right, taking a close-up look here, we can see we have a beautiful, perfect installation. No lint at all on the bottom of the screen. All the air bubbles are completely pushed out. And as you can see here, it precisely fits the 6.5-inch display of this iPhone 17 Air, leaving you a little bit of room right on the edges. Whenever you add a case on it, your screen protector should still be intact, which is nice. What I'm also noticing here is that the top of the screen protector ends right where the earpiece starts, and we can see on the bottom here again exposed just a little bit to allow the case to fit. Taking a closer look at the side of it, you can see the thickness of the actual glass. And to kind of take a closer look here, I'm going to take the second one here. I'm going to push this out so we can get an idea of how thick the glass is here. Another thing I really love about the screen protector is that you'll instantly feel how smooth the glass is compared to the original screen, and that's because we have an oleophobic coating here, which makes everything nice and smooth. I absolutely love that. Now the final thing here is the camera lens protector, which, like I showed you earlier, you get 2, which is awesome. I'm gonna open that up real quick. Go ahead and remove this blue film. Be very gentle, of course. And then we're going to place this right over our camera. And we're going to apply some pressure. Alright, and just with a little bit of pressure, we have the camera lens protector fully installed here, and it offers protection of that camera lens. Alright guys, after installing the amFILM tempered glass screen protector for the 17 Air, I gotta say I absolutely love the OneTouch system here, making it very easy to install and also giving you perfect alignment. I also love the fact that you're getting 2 tempered glass screen protector and also 2 camera lens protector for one low price, giving you tremendous value. I mean, you get that extra screen protector just in case this one gets damaged in the future, or you can share that with someone else that also has a 17 Air. Keep in mind that they also have their privacy version as well in the same 2+2 configuration that gives you two-way protection, which is really hard for me to show since this is not a live display. But if you guys are looking for an awesome screen protector that's very easy to install and offers you some great protections for your 17 Air, then I highly recommend checking out the amFILM. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Firewolf out.